Welcome to Miss Bringenberg's Algebra 1 math class. Today we will continue to learn about slope. Yesterday we learned how to find slope by counting spaces on a graph. Today we will learn how to use 2 points on a coordinate plane that will plug into a formula in order to find slope of a line.
For today's lesson, you are going to need your blue formula sheet, your slope packet, a calculator, and something to write with. We are going to start today by filling in notes in our blue foldable. As you can see right here, this is our slope formula. We're going to be writing an example down in this box right here. I'm going to be writing the example down on my whiteboard, that way it's easier for you to see. In order to find the slope of 2 points, you must first start with your 2 points. The 2 points we're going to be using today are 2, 6 and negative 4, 12.
In order to find the slope of a line using 2 points, you will take your 2 points and label each number in the point x1, y1, x2, y2. You're labeling these points in order to plug them into your slope formula. Your slope formula is m equals y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. You'll then take your labeled points and plug them into this formula. You will then simplify your numbers in the numerator, simplify your numbers in the denominator, and this will end you with a fraction. You will then simplify this fraction, and that will be your slope of the line. And please make sure you complete page 4 in your packet for homework. In today's activity, you will need to click Make a Copy in order to make a copy of the activity. Once you have this activity, it's going to be a puzzle on finding slope using 2 points. The directions are posted on slide 2. If you need to go back, you may reference them as well, or you may rewind this video. However, these are your puzzle pieces. You are going to have to rearrange the puzzle pieces in order to match the slopes, which are on the bottom and the right-hand side, to the matching points, which are on the left-hand side or the top. In order to start you off, I'm going to help you out. I want everyone to click on the N, and on your Chromebooks, you're going to hit Control X, and it's going to cut that puzzle piece. You're going to paste that puzzle piece onto slide 4 by hitting Control V. This will paste it, in which you're going to put it into this box where it says letter N. You are then going to find the slope of this point. I recommend one partner doing that, and then I recommend your other partner finding the slope of these 2 points. You're going to go back to your puzzle pieces and find which slope on either the bottom or the right-hand side match the answer in which you found. If you found the answer of negative 3 over 2, you're going to Control X it again and cut it, and then Control V it and paste it, matching it to your next puzzle piece. And you're going to continue this process until all the puzzle pieces match up. Please make sure once you have finished your puzzles that you have logged on to Schoology and submitted the puzzle in the correct assignment. Now that we have learned how to identify slope, count slope on a coordinate plane and use a formula to find the slope of 2 points. The next class, we will start learning how to graph slope in slope-intercept form.